Hello friends, welcome to my English course for beginners. Lesson 3. Where are you from and where do you live? And before diving into it, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing lessons. And let's repeat from day number 2. What is your phone number? Listen and read the red lines. What's your phone number? Can you repeat that, please? Thanks. Part 1. Do you know it in English? Countries and nationalities. Listen and repeat. Portugal, Portuguese. China, Chinese. Japan, Japanese. Spain, Spanish. The United Kingdom, British. The United States, American. Germany, German. Brazil, Brazilian. India, Indian. France, French. Italy, Italian. Turkey, Turkish. Let's practice. I say the country, you say the nationality. Portugal, Spain, France, Italy, Germany. The United Kingdom, the United States, China, Japan, Brazil, India, Turkey.
Portugal, Portuguese, Spain, Spanish, France, French, Italy, Italian, Germany, German, the United Kingdom, British, the United States, American, China, Chinese, Japan, Japanese, Brazil, Brazilian, India, Indian, Turkey, Turkish.
Part 2. Where are you from? Listen and repeat. Where are you from? I am from Spain. I ask, you answer. Where are you from? I am from Italy. Use the countries from the list. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Great job! Listen and repeat. Are you Spanish? No, I'm not Spanish. I'm German. Let's practice. I ask, you answer. Are you Spanish? No, I'm not Spanish. I'm German. Use the nationalities from the list. Are you Japanese? Are you Indian? Are you Portuguese? And part 3, speaking practice. You read red lines. Hello, my name is Anna. What is your name? Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? And where do you live now? And now you speak about yourself. Hello, my name is Anna. What is your name? Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? And where do you live now? And now your homework, real-life conversation. You can find this dialogue in the description. Let's get started. I read black and you read red. Hi, I'm Anna. What's your name? Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from Brazil. I'm Brazilian. Yes, I do. I live in Paris now. And you? Great. Do you speak French? I speak Portuguese and some English. I want to learn more. It's fun to meet people from different countries. Well done! See you in the next lesson number 4. Do you speak English?